Hello kids, welcome back to your maths class. Do you remember what we learned in the last class? Yes, addition of two-digit number without regrouping. Okay, let us revise. Find, first question, find 12 plus 14. Find 12 plus 14. For this, first we place these numbers in the place value chart. This is the tens column and this is the ones column. We can place these numbers in the place value chart. First we place 12 in the place value chart. How many tens and how many ones in the number 12? The number 12 has only 1, 10 and 2 ones. 1, 10 and 2 ones. The number 14 has 1, 10 and 4 ones. 1, 10 and 4 ones. Okay. This is the addition symbol. Okay, let us start our addition. We can start addition from which side? Left or right? Yes, we start addition from right side. First, that is the digits in the ones place. First, we add the digits in the ones place. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. We write 6 in the ones column. This is the answer column for the ones and this is the answer column for tens. Next, we add the digits in the tens place. Digits in the tens place 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. We write 2 in the tens column. 26 is the sum. 26 is the sum. So we get 12 plus 14 is equal to 26. 12 plus 14 is equal to 26. We start addition from right side, that is digits in the ones place. Okay, another example. 43 plus 54. Find 43 plus 54. First we place these numbers in the place value chart. This is the tens column and this is the ones column. How many tens and how many ones in the number 43? We know that 43 has 4 tens and 3 ones. 4 tens and 3 ones. Next, write the number 54. How many tens and how many ones? 54 has 5 tens and 4 ones. 5 tens and 4 ones. This is the addition symbol. Okay, let us start our addition. We start from the digits in the ones place. 4 plus 3. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to, we know that 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. We write the 7 in the ones column. And then add the digits in the tens place. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So we write 9 in the tens column. So 97 is the sum. 97 is the sum. 43 plus 54 is equal to, we get 97. 43 plus 54 is equal to 97. Okay. Today we are going to learn about addition of two-digit number with the regrouping. Addition of two-digit number with the regrouping. Our first question. Find 28 plus 15. Find 28 plus 15. We know that the number 28 has how many tens and how many ones? 2 tens and 8 ones. And the number 15 has 1, 10 and 5 ones. Okay, let us start our addition. We start from which place? The digits in the ones place. First we add digits in the ones place. 8 plus 5. We know that 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Look here, 13 is a 2-digit number. 13 is a 2-digit number. We cannot write this 2-digit number in the ones place. So, we regroup 13 as 10 plus 3. We know that 13 has 1 10 and 3 ones. This is a 2-digit number. We cannot write 2-digit number in the ones place. So, we carry over the tens digit number and write it above the tens column. We write this one like this. This one will go to the tens column and we write 3 in the ones column. We write 3 in the ones column. The number 13 has 2 digits. We cannot write a 2-digit number in ones column. So, we only write the ones digit number, that is 3. And this one will go to the tens column. It's a carryover. Then, we add the digits in the tens place. We add the digits in the tens place. That is, first we add 1 plus 2. First we add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then again we add 3 plus this one. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. We write 4 in the tens column. So 43 is the sum. First we start from the ones column. That is 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. So we only write the digits in the ones place. That is, this number we will write in the ones column and this one will go to the tens column. So first we add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 gives 3. Then we add this 1 to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So our answer is 43. 28 plus 15 is equal to 43. Okay, another example. Find the sum 26 plus 55. Find the sum 26 plus 55. First we place these numbers in the place value chart. This is the tens column and this is the ones column. We place 2 10 26, 2 tens and 6 1. And the number 55 has 5 tens and 5 ones. Okay, let us start our addition. This is the addition symbol. So, we start addition from the right side, that is the digits in the ones place. Here the digits in the ones place is 6 and 5. First we add 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 11 is a 2-digit number, so we cannot write 11 in ones column. We only write which number? We only write the digits in the ones column. So we write 1 in the ones column and this one will go to the tens column. This one will go to the tens column. It's a carryover. Carryover 1. This one will go to the tens place. Then we add, first we add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then we add 5 to this number. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So we write 8 in the tens column. 81 is the sum. 81 is the sum. Okay, first we start from ones column. 6 plus 5. We know that 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 11 is a 2-digit number. We can regroup as 10 plus 1. That is 11 has 1 10 and 1 1. So we write 1 in the ones column and this 1 will go to the tens column. That is we write like this. This is the carryover 1. Okay, then we add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Again we add 5 to 3. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So the sum is 81. Sum is 81. Okay, another example. Find the sum 38 plus 35. Find the sum 38 plus 35. First we place these numbers in the place value chart. This is the tens column and this is the ones column. 38 has how many tens and how many ones? You know that 38 has 3 tens and 8 ones. 3 tens and 8 ones. The number 35 has 3 tens and 5 ones. Okay, this is the addition sign. Okay, let us start our addition. First we start from the ones column. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. We can regroup 13 as 10 plus 3. 13 is a 2-digit number. We cannot write 13 here, so we only write ones place digit, that is the digit 3. And this one will go to the tens place. This one will go to the tens place and write like this. So carry over. Then add the addition. 1, then 1 plus 3 gives 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Again we add 3 to this 4. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. We write 7 in the tens column. 73 is the sum. So we get 38 plus 35 is equal to 73. 38 plus 35 is equal to 73. Another example. Find the sum 47 plus 28. Find the sum 47 plus 28. First we place these numbers in the place value chart. Tens column and ones column. Okay. 47 has how many tens and how many ones? 4 tens and 7 ones. And the number 28 has 2 tens and 8 ones. As we place these numbers in the place value chart, this is the addition symbol. Okay, let us start our addition. We start from right side, that is the digits in the ones place. First we add 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Okay. We cannot write 15 in the ones place. We only write the digit 5 in the ones place. We write 5 in the ones place and this one will go to which place? This one will go to the tens place. Carry over. Okay. Then add 1 plus 4. Add this 1 plus 4. Add 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Okay. Again add 2 to this 5. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. We write 7 in the tens column. So 75 is the sum. 75 is the sum. 47 plus 28 is equal to 75. 47 plus 28 is equal to 75. Okay, I hope you all understood how to add 2-digit numbers with the regrouping. Okay, let us please do the homework given. Let us try 3.2 question number 1. Okay, thank you.